So, a little while ago, a friend of mine mentioned that they got candles from this company and they were smelling pretty good. Twisted Hallows Candle Company. So, I decided to get some and see what they're like. And we're going to kind of unbox this and see exactly what all the fuss is about. So far, box is nice. Looks like it's packaged well, taped well. Nice little printed logo on the box there. Let's get this unpacked here. Oh, there we go. All right, see what we got inside here. Customized fandom-based fun. Nice little business card. I'm here because you broke something. We have a little Game Boy sticker. We have a, looks like a martini cocktail sticker. Keep calm and call the IT guy. That's fun. Just a little, you're more loved than you know sticker. That's cool. A nice little invoice. Thank you for your order. Little handwritten thing on there. All in for the 2 candles plus shipping and everything was about just under $40. Not bad. All right, a little bit of instructions. I've never been good with candles and instructions, so. All right, so first off, let your candle burn until the wax reaches the edge, 2 to 4 hours. This avoids tunnel vision. Okay. So we'll look at that in a second. Remember, a candle left alone is a recipe for mischief. Always keep an eye on your flickering friend. Trim the wick to a 1/4 inch before each burn. A trimmed wick means a brighter burn. Candles love calm environments. Keep them away from drafts to avoid uneven burning. No windy nights. Limit burning to 2 hours at a time. Your candle needs its beauty rest too. It's adorable. Place a candle on a heat-resistant surface and keep it cozy with a 3-inch distance from other items. Keep the candle away from children and pets. It likes space. And then let the wax cool completely before relighting. Store in a cool, dark place. When not in use, sunshine and heat are not its friends. All right, let's take a look at this. It's very well packed. A little bit of movement in there, but nothing crazy. And I got, so the one what I ordered was lemon charm. I have a soft spot for lemon scented stuff. Very well taped, very well packed. Yeah, nice little look at that here. Nice little, like the label. A little bit of the holographic color thing going on there. Dwelling on Dreams, lemon zest, neroli, and sugar. Soy blend camera, hand poured in Florida. Cool. Now let's take a look. Set this off to the side. Down out and grab the other one. We've got 2 of them. Overall, the packaging seems pretty good. I like the packaging. The only thing I would say would be instead of the bubble wrap, that cardboard stuff that you can see wrapped around candles would probably be a better idea. A little bit more durable, a little bit more recyclable. Yeah, so we got 2 of the same. Looking at them, yeah, they both look very, very good. So, very, very lemon pledge was the closest thing that I can say that this smells like. It's pleasant. It's not overpowering. So the wick looks like it's already pre-cut to about the length that they suggested, and let's see. Overall, yeah, it smells pretty nice. Let me grab my lighter here. I'm sure I remember where I put this thing. Let's see how this. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's from the Wizard collection. So basically the instructions say let it get to the outside. We'll burn it for a little bit here and see what it looks like. Ooh. Once it's lit, the smell is a lot different. You get more earthy scents from it. Like a lot less, like the lemon is much lower on the nose. It's more, yeah, I think you're getting more of, I want to say it's close to like a sandalwood or a sandalwood, rosewood, zebrawood, in that vein of scent. So yeah, the nose that's on this and what's coming off the candle are very different. It's not unpleasant, just wasn't exactly what I was expecting. But then again, like, it's like very much appreciated. So yeah, so that's kind of it. That is my little unboxing and review of this. Yeah, I'd say check them out. Where did I get these from again? These were from thetwistedhallows.etsy.com. Yeah, like I said, I had a friend recommend them to me. So far, not disappointed. I'm going to let it go for a little bit, and we'll come back if I have any crazy updates about it. But like I said, so far, very much like it. So thanks for checking out this quick little unboxing.